Imagine your visual novel player is knee-deep in some exciting gameplay in your visual novel, but for some reason they have to leave, and they hit the X button, and they close out of the game, and uh-oh, they forgot to save. What is a visual novel developer to do? Well, first we're going to be adding a line to options.rpy that says define config.quit_action equals two actions. Quicksave, message equals nothing, comma, newest equals true, and then quit, confirm equals true. This is going to be adding a quicksave to the saves folder called quick1lt1.save. Next, we are going to screens.rpy and we are going to be adding a button to the main menu. If lastsave is not none, meaning the player has created at least one save file beforehand, we are going to show an image button. Now, this image button you need to create on your own, but the important part is the action, quick load. @continueAppear is just a custom transform that I made. Focus mask equals true means that only the pixels of the continue button are going to be clickable. %s means that it's going to be looking for keywords like idle and hover, and that works in conjunction with auto. So instead of writing image button idle, and then the path for the idle image, and then image button hover, and then the path to the hover, you just do auto, and this is the wild card. So how does that look in game? I click start, and then if I hit the continue button that I made, it brings me back right where I left off. To boil all that down, you really need 3 bits of code. One is a define config quit action, which can reside in your options.rpy file. Another is a text button or an image button in screen navigation that takes you back to the main menu. This button should already exist. All you really need to do is add an action quicksave. And then the third bit, in your screen main menu, you need to put if lastsave is not none, the text button or image button of your continue button, and then have the action be quick load. So what this does is whenever the player goes back to the main menu or quits the game, they will initiate a quick save. And then when they hit the continue button on the main menu, they will load that quick save.